Hi, welcome to Tarot Tuesday. Today I'm diving into the energy of the entire month of October. What does the collective watching this video need to know about the month ahead? So I pulled 3 cards using the Soul Cats Tarot deck, and I was asking what is the theme, the events, and basically where the energy is headed, kind of like a potential outcome. So the first card I got, what is the theme of October? That is the High Priestess. Now you'll notice in this card, the High Priestess, and in traditional tarot as well, is standing between 2 pillars, black and white. So what I noticed is that standing between the black and white is not to have rigid black and white thinking, but to be in the in-between, the gray. We live in a gray area, gray world. There's grains of truth in most people's perspectives. It's not just black and white, I'm right, you're wrong, us versus them. Perspective has some truth to it. So being able to see that, to find that common in between compromise, the middle ground that might be necessary this month energetically. Also, with the High Priestess, she represents going within, trusting your intuition. So trusting your gut and your intuition first, not just what you see and hear in the social media from other people, even if you respect them and you're like, wow, they're really intelligent or they're informed, I'm going to listen to them. Tune into your intuition to find out what's actually true for you. Next up, we have the events. So whatever events unfold in the month of October, this is the energy of it and how it will unfold. And I got the Strength card. However, in this card, I'm drawn to the image that you are both. You are the cat that feels trapped by something very large and heavy and bigger than you. But how do you respond to that event? Like the mouse in this card, you chew through and take action on one link at a time. That's it. This little tiny mouse has the strength to free this cat from this net, but it does it one step at a time, one link at a time. It doesn't tackle the entire thing all at once. So check your day-to-day actions. If you are trying to tackle something big and to create change on a large scale, it is your day-to-day actions that will create that change. So what is the one link you can do to maybe make the world a nicer place? It might just be, saying hello to your neighbor. It might just be nice to your kids, your coworker, helping out your boss. It starts on that smaller scale and then ripples out those little day-to-day actions. Just like if you're trying to get healthy, right? It's not you go to the gym one time or eat one healthy meal. It's the day-to-day consistent action steps, the small little things you do. Drink a little more water, walk a little bit more, sit a little bit less. Those little consistent actions. So that's the events. Next up is the energy of where the month is headed. So kind of like an outcome card. And I got the Two of Cups, which for me, the Two of Cups represents partnership, but complementary, not copying. Although the 2 fish in the cups look very similar, they are not identical. They have stuff in common, right? They both look like goldfish. So they have some common ground, which you're in a partnership with somebody, friendship, romantic, work relationship. You got to have some common ground, potentially values, ethics, morals, views, goal in mind. So there is some common ground in there and similarities. However, you need to complement each other. It's not about copying, because if you want somebody to simply copy you and therefore agree with everything that you believe in, then you might as well just be by yourself. The whole point is to have different perspective, to be able to see things differently. Also, the partnership is your co-creation and your partnership with your higher self, your spirit team. You don't do anything in this world alone. You don't create anything alone, whether that's working with the divine source, God, spirit guides, ancestors, or physical people in the real world. You don't do anything alone. It requires partnership. And to do that, I go back to the theme of the month, which is you have to live in the gray. You can't just be black and white, rigid. My way is the only way, the right way. Your way is different, therefore it must be wrong. You've got to find that in-between common ground. So that's the energy of October. And if you're looking for deeper messages for yourself, go ahead and book a reading. Link is in the description. I'd be happy to help you figure out the best energy and way to manage it for the month of October.